guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Just want to come to you today to show you guys I ordered 1,000 postcard for the Postcard Tycoon, okay? So my box just came in, and I thought I'd show you that. As you can see right here, all these cards. I got 1,000, guys, for a great deal, okay? As you can see, it's full color. You can see the gloss on them, front and back, okay? And then there is my website, the Postcard Diva, okay? Now, yours will have your link on it, okay? And the Tycoon is an awesome program. If you're looking for a direct mail program, okay, it pays $300 per sale, okay? $300 per sale, and it gives you on every fifth sale what they call 5 for life, okay? You get 500 stamps, 500 leads, and 500 postcards on your every fifth sale, over and over and over and over, okay? So take a look at this card, and it tells you that on there, and you can call that number right there, guys. Listen to it. It's a sizzle number, and people will go to your website. And when they sign up, they'll print the form off, okay, and they'll mail it back in, okay? It's going to be $300 plus $198. You're going to have 2 money orders. This program pays by money order, okay? You're going to have 1 money order for $300 and 1 money order for $198, okay? Because the company's going to do all the fulfillment kits for you, okay? And it comes with, that's what I like about this program comes in the starter kit. It comes with 250 postcards, just like this, and 250 leads, okay? Now, when you join me, I'm going to throw in an extra 250 leads for you, okay? I will mail them to you, all right? So, I'm going to put the link below for the Postcard Tycoon. Go to my link, thepostcarddiva.com. Print that form out, mail it back in. Now, I recommend you mail it in priority so that you can track it, okay? You get a tracking number. So just provide me with that tracking number. And once I receive my $300 commission, I'll mail you 250 leads. So you're going to actually end up with 250 postcards, 250 leads from the company, and an extra 250 leads from me. So that's going to be 500 leads you're going to get in your starter kit to get you started, okay? So this is a great program to get started in direct mail, $300 per sale, guys. Just think, you only need a few of these a week, okay, to make a full-time income. All right, so I'm going to put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell, okay, so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video, all right? So, look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.